You wake up tired. You reach for your phone. You scroll. You binge. You distract. The day blurs into a cycle of cheap dopamine hits, likes, notifications, videos, junk food. At night, you feel this dull ache, a voice whispering, "You're wasting your life." That voice is right, but it's not your fault. Your brain is hacked, hijacked by hyper-stimulating modern junk. The good news? You can reset it. In the next 3 minutes, I'm giving you the exact actionable protocol for a dopamine detox. This isn't about becoming a monk. It's about reclaiming your focus, your motivation, and your life. A true detox isn't gradual. We start with a hard reset. Tomorrow is detox day. Your only goal: consume nothing that gives you an instant, unnatural dopamine spike. Here are the rules. No digital entertainment, social media, streaming, video games. No junk food or sugary drinks, only whole, simple foods and water. No stimulants. Limit or skip caffeine. So what do? You will be bored. And that is the entire point. In that boredom, your brain starts to reset its dopamine baseline. Go for a walk without headphones. Sit with your thoughts. Do a simple chore. Journal. The anxiety will rise. Sit with it. This one day breaks the addiction cycle. Detox day shows you the void. Now we fill it with intention. For the next week, you are an architect, rebuilding your brain's reward system. Rule of thumb: delay digital gratification. Embrace real-world effort. Morning rule: no phone for the first 90 minutes. Instead, sunlight, water, light movement, a real book. The 30-minute buffer: before you open any social media or entertainment app, wait 30 minutes. Do one productive thing first. Rewire your rewards. Link pleasure to effort. The feeling after a workout, the satisfaction of a clean room, the deep focus of 60 minutes of uninterrupted work. Your brain must learn that these are your new primary sources of dopamine. The protocol isn't a one-time thing. It's a lens to see your life. You must conduct regular audits. Every Sunday, ask yourself, what gave me easy dopamine this week? What gave me earned dopamine? Gradually, you tip the scales. Protect your mornings and your deep work sessions like they're sacred. You are not depriving yourself. You are upgrading your pleasure from cheap, fleeting hits to deep, lasting satisfaction. The life you feel you're wasting is waiting for you on the other side of this detox. It's not a life of less pleasure, but more meaningful pleasure. Less distraction, more traction. The boredom, the resistance, the effort, that's the price. Your focus, your time, your life, that's the reward. Stop consuming. Start creating. Your brain is waiting for the signal.